Hello and welcome to another Dooms Doodle thing. And first of all, I want to Griv. Griv is another word that I invented. Griv means to give, but not be really happy about it. Griv. I want to give thanks to LGR for giving me the thing. Now, if you've seen LGR, you would know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm playing Planet Smashers. So basically, Planet Smashers is a game for the Atari 7800. Atari 7800. One player. So difficulty is easy, hard, easy, hard. So you can either play easy or you can play hard. Now, Planet Smashers seems like a hardcore action game, which is why I wanted to play it. I am ready. I am ready. I am so, okay, this looks like, um, you know, sperm is it is okay. That did not. You can move up, down, left, or right, but the fun part is you cannot move diagonally. Now, imagine a space shooter wherein, okay, imagine Galga, but then you can also move up and down, but you can't move diagonally. So basically what you are doing here is moving in wait, did I just move diagonally? Oh, I can move. What is wrong with me? Okay, fine, fine, okay, I was wrong, fine. It's not like I'm a game reviewer or something. Oh, I can move in all directions, but then the response is the response of the thing is not really, you know. See, that's how you do things. You use words. Look at the finesse at which I use words. Okay, so basically, I'm a planet smasher, and I am fighting alien beings. I will call them alien beings, or maybe I am the alien being. They have not said. They have not. They're not. They're not speak. They have. Oh my goodness, my words are all over the place. Okay, they haven't mentioned if you know. They haven't mentioned what. Am I the planet smasher, or are these other? Oh, okay. That was on me. That was on me. So there's a lot of things. You've got the warp, you've got the range, you've got the shield, you've got the cloak. There's earth shield as well. Because see, okay. So maybe I'm the defender of earth. Of course, my name is Nicholas. Nicholas the defender. I am Nicholas the defender. And what happens basically is I guess if any alien passes this passes the screen in the oh, so X resets the game. I, I like X on my joypad. It's customized to very different. I don't know what some button resets the game. Some button that is very easy to press in the heat of the moment resets the game. Okay then. So yeah, this is I don't know. I mean, I see what happens with the other is I have I have expectations from the 7800. Now, I wouldn't say that the older Ataris were you know uh, with Atari, it's you don't really get a lot of oh, okay. Now I cannot this point. I cannot move beyond this point. So whatever I can do, whatever my now I get it. Okay, now I get it. Why the control felt choppy, because I cannot move beyond this point, the point that I am. Uh, okay, so I just can't move beyond this point. So if you can listen to the clicks. So yeah, so those were the clicks, and because I can't go. Okay, so there's for me to actually maneuver around those. Look at that. Look at how am I supposed to? Okay, fine. I'll just my shield is low, and I pressed that other button again. I shouldn't have. Okay, fine. I'll do this one more time. I'm so sorry that I'm doing this. I mean, I wanted to do a 30 minute video. You know, I wanted to really talk about the game, but there's nothing to talk about here. You know, I'm just going to name all the enemies. So this is I'll call this Jack Flower. Uh, no, I'm going to call this Jolly Flower. Like cauliflower, but it's jolly. It's so jolly that it starts shooting people. So this is Jolly Flower. I know that my pointer is on the screen. There's nothing I can do about it because this game is like it's an action game, bro. Fine. So I hate Jolly Flower. Okay. My okay. No, it's my fault. It's my fault. I'm doing this to myself. There's no reason why I should be playing this game. I should be, you know, I should continue to make this video. That's Spermy. Spermy the sperm. Spermy the glowing sperm. This is okay. This is paddle guy because it looks like a paddle. I don't know what power ups I'm getting from. Okay, I hate this. I hate this. I hate. What did we call? Okay, jolly flower. We hate jolly flower. Okay, so and it is okay. There's another W. I think I should get the W. The W. I think. Oh, okay. So there's also a meter for range. I'm trying my best to avoid the bullets. Um, I think these the guys, the ones that I like it that I can shoot bullets. I hate it that I can shoot power ups. I don't know if that's a power up. I don't know if I got a power up. I think I got a power up because anything that represents a letter in a shmup is a power up. Okay, so this is green. So green basically means that I can. Why do I keep pressing that button? What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me? Okay, I don't know. I can't even tape over that button because you know it'll get pressed. Okay, fine. I'm just going to keep in mind that I don't want to press that button. All other buttons are good. I just cannot. Okay, okay. There are two buttons. There are two buttons that you cannot press. All right then. Okay, fine. Now you might ask why I am doing this to myself and why I choose to keep playing this game when I can actually stop recording this and go and play a better game. The reason for that is that I want to give this a benefit of doubt. Now I know there's nothing else that is going to happen in this game. There is absolutely nothing else that is going to happen in this game. It is just going to be an infinite supply of these kind of I don't understand the purpose of it. Okay, let's say if this was made for the arcade, if this was made for the arcade, and you know you get the highest score, so you're playing for a score. What is the reason for making it that elaborate? Because see, I might develop a amazing skill in this, and I really think that okay, I'll just there you go. Wonderful. Now, okay, so every time this paddle guy comes, I think I get a power up. So I got a C. Uh, what are these? Okay, I'm going to try to figure. I'm going to really like honestly try to figure out what this game would be about. There is a pattern that Jollyflower follows, which I wanted that. Okay, I'll just kill Spermy. Okay, now he's called Spermy. That's his name. And oh, I want to get the W, but I'm glad that this is the first time that I actually died. I didn't reset myself. I also hate the way they've represented the your guy, the aircraft. It's just like it feels as if like it's a flight. It's not an aircraft. Okay, I'm just not going to get into a fight with this Jolly Flower guy. Okay, Dukey Nuke is. You can shoot the power ups. I don't know if they are power ups because see, I've been playing this game for long enough to actually know what a power up is supposed to do. Because I'll tell you, um, because in any other shmup, any other even in Galga, if there is a power up, you should be able to know that it's a power up immediately. So I'm just going to get rid of my. Okay. I hope you are happy that one person with OCD. Okay. So I should make fun of people with OCD, but I did. Now I can't help it. I'm sorry if you got OCD. I can realize that it's tough for you. It's sometimes tough for me also. But that's just life. So yeah, I've kind of that's my dog. That's Dexter. Say hello in the comments to Dexter. He gets jittery when he actually hears any sound. He's a very jittery dog. Okay, so again I've died. I hope that I can continue from here. I don't think that I'm going anywhere with this game. This game is like life, I want to give it a positive spin. This game is like life, wherein the power ups are just something that make you feel good, like love. But they literally add nothing of what do you call it? Value to your life. You keep doing the grind because you're afraid that if you don't, you will die, which is what I'm doing right now. You are in an endless. Um, that's Dexter again, who thinks that I'm getting too philosophical with my game review of an Atari 7800 game. Well, I've tried again, and I don't know where to go from this. I've done 12 minutes of my video, and every episode has to be 30 minutes actually. But I don't know. I don't know if I can come up with things to say for 30 minutes, and it's just going to be awkward. And I like awkward. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are these new enemies? Are these new enemies? Yes, these are new enemies, and they're incredibly tough. Okay, that's game over, and that's epilepsy for you. So, because you were unable to stop the invading alien hordes, the Earth has been subjected to total annihilation. Well, you shouldn't have asked me to. You shouldn't have asked me to. And if you would have asked me to, you would have asked me to, do it through a different game, maybe Contra or something like that. Look at the splash screen. I mean, come on. Put some thought in your game. You don't make it like an endless grind. Anyways, that was Planet Smashers for the 7800. I hope you like this video. I hope you hated this game as much as I did. So now there are two games that you don't. You shouldn't play. And Ghost Manor. No one should play Ghost Manor. Ghost Manor is it's the worst. It's the worst game. Never play Ghost Manor. If you come across the game. A game is supposedly a game that is also great, but Ghost Smasher. Ghost Smasher. Did I just combine? Okay, Planet Smashers is not a good game, but Ghost Manor is a bad game. If you come across the game, run away. Maybe show it garlic. Or you could eat garlic after you have seen the game, or you could. It's the worst. I think it's a cursed game. Anyways, that was my thing, and thank you for watching, and I'll come back for the next one. Till then, bye bye, and keep uh, I don't know, watching. I never know how to end this. um, so yeah, bye.